Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka Jingpynshitom nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka Jingpynshitom ka Jingjia ka baret but hilaban layu ban pulie da ka education loan. Hilaru ban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, Hynrei khandai pra.
Ka Deputy Commissioner jongka East Khasi Hills District, Kakong Rosetta Mary Kurba, kalapan kesan baka Jingpynshitom ya ka hukum balapha khang ya kidukan bat ya kidukan di Jingbam, kibadan hapo ka jeli jongka Sor Shillong, hapo ka shipho beje menmien, kalong namarba kiladon harukam gija Jingjia ki balapentut haduk kata-kata ya ka syongsuk syongsain hapo nong ba Shillong. Haka jingya keren bat kilat patai kubor, Kakong Rosetta kalaong baka Jingpynshitom ya ka hukum. Kadai namar ba ka jingbum sngan shu ka let kawan jong ki pai ba khamtam ha ka por men miet ka jingjilei ki kamruna ruser ka jingjilei jong udrok bat ki jingsneu ki ba lai phojat ki juja ha ki jaka ki badum.
Just that I have to say I've got several information that there's a lot of unruliness in the Shillong headquarters. We have so many incidents of arson, you know very well what I'm talking about. And we have seen that people are moving in and around, in vehicles which are having, loud music with modified system of engines and creating a lot of noise. So creating a very unpleasant feeling of fear, of uncertainness for young people to move around town. I mean, if you do go around town in the evening after 9, I don't know how many of you feel safe at all. So therefore, we have to take this decision. And after 10, I feel people should be going back to their families, should be going back time even for your workers to go back to their family. I mean, we should also think of, there's a limit for allowing people to open shop beyond 10 o'clock. Because of the various reasons of the consequences we're seeing in and around town that, it's not safe anymore. Even for ourselves to go back home after 10 o'clock, you don't feel safe at all. We cannot say that our police personnel will be in every town and corner of the Shillong city. It's very it's very easy for people to say so. But for us who are implementing or who are, taking care of the security, we have to take what are the costs? Why are people going out? We have to weigh the pro and con. We have to see why these things are happening. There is a reason people are going out, because there's an opportunity. So if we do close this shop, 10 o'clock, come on, yeah, any normal citizen would be at home at 10 o'clock. It will be there as long as until a little bit of sanity returns to the city. For that, I'd like to thank you all for bringing up the topic. It will soon be in place. Everything will be in place. We had some issues earlier. Now there'll be no more issue. We'll have to do what we have to do. It's not punishment. It's just that we are concerned of the citizen, the old people, the young ones. There's a lot of crime that's happening in the city. You must be knowing better than all of us sitting here, 3 of us. But we know the number of crime that is going up in the city, the drug issue that is there. Everything is happening in the shelter of the dark. So we want to curtail all these issues, and for that matter, we had passed this order, and we hope that thing will be improved, and that we'll see some sanity in everyone, and that even for any normal person, I said that by 10 o'clock people should be at home rather than here and there. Even your family needs you. Please take care of your family.
As you say, so the case is still under investigation. So right now we have not touched that because IO still needs a lot of things like verification, this and that. So IO is still on the job on that one. We just pick up just 1 week ago on this, so it's not so fast to charge the case with our proper investigation. that will come in due course. I can't tell you. We can't predict, but the IO is still on the job.